Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm doing my very first haul, and it's going to be a Thrive Market haul. So for those of you guys who don't know what Thrive Market is, it's like an online Whole Foods almost, but cheaper. So they have groceries on there, and they have beauty products and cleaning products and things like that, but for cheap, like really cheap. And they show you like the dollar amount of like what you saved, and I think I saved like $30 on my order. And if you go over like a certain amount, it's free shipping, but they do have a membership system. So if you pay, I think like $60 a year, I think you save a little bit more, and also it's free shipping. But yeah, with that being said, I am going on vacation in just a few days, and so I bought things that I need and things that I thought that I might need. So it's not that many things, but I'm excited to show you guys what I bought. So yeah, here we go. Also, I always like to say I'm very sorry if you hear like sirens or beeping or someone screaming outside. I am in New York City and that happens, so if you hear it, I'm sorry. So I'm sitting on the floor. I know this is a little awkward, but the lighting is awesome here. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you, and I made a total mistake on, I bought freeze-dried mangoes, and I really love dried mangoes. I did not know that there were freeze-dried mangoes, and I don't like freeze-dried fruit. So I'm really upset by that. I did try them and it was just like, no. But if you like freeze-dried fruit, they do sell it on Thrive Market. Maybe one of my friends will eat it, I don't know. The next thing that was very important to me was getting SPF, and I got it by the brand Raw Elements. It's certified natural sunscreen for face and body. I didn't buy two separate ones, I just bought one that has both face and body, and it's cruelty-free, vegan, you know, that type of stuff. So it looks like that. You see? However do you need it? However do you want it? Some remix. It's pretty good though. Yeah. So it's really light. It's not so heavy. I thought it was gonna be a little bit greasy, but it's pretty good. And there's really no scent to it. Next thing I bought, I don't know why I'm screaming, but I do that. Next thing I bought was makeup removers by the brand Jason. Now I've tried the Jason body wash, and I've tried the Jason toothpaste. So I wanted to try the makeup remover wipes. They are fragrance free, and I have a really dry face, and these are awesome because it has vitamin E, it has cucumber condition, and aloe vera. So if I get burnt in the face, these won't, like, you know, make my skin burn, you know? So yeah, I'm sorry. I did try these and they work really well. Next, I bought these three things. So I bought a lip SPF by Loving Naturals, and it's SPF 30 because my lips get burned when I'm in the sun. And then this red lipstick, which I'm wearing right now, it's a matte. And I think the brand is called, there goes the sirens. Anyway, I think the brand is called Mineral Organic. I ripped off the label that had the name on it because I wanted to try the lipstick. But I think it's Mineral Organic. Next one is this lip gloss by Mineral Fusion. I'm more of a matte lipstick type of girl, but I really like the way lip glosses look on people, so I really wanted to try it. And this one has like a pinkish tone to it, but really subtle. The glossiness doesn't stay on very long, but it does leave like a nice little tint on your lips. So this is by Mineral Fusion, and Mineral Fusion also sells, they have like a whole makeup line, but I really love their nail polishes. I just got one recently actually. The next thing that I'm going to show you, because I'm running out of both, so I'm just going to do both of them. I got Dr. Bronner's toothpaste, and I made a mistake on this too. I was just so excited that I just started clicking, and this is anise. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, and I haven't tried this flavor yet, so I'm kind of nervous. I hope that I like it. But yeah, I'll be taking this with me because I'm running out of toothpaste. And I also got this deodorant by my favorite deodorant brand, Schmidt's. I don't know, but it's in rose vanilla, and I haven't tried this scent, but it smells really, really good. Oh, yeah, it smells really, really good, so I'm excited to try them. Hopefully it works, because we're gonna be stanky on vacation if it doesn't. But this has no aluminum, no propylene glycol, and no artificial fragrance. So it's all natural, and it actually has this little thing right here where it says award-winning natural formula, and it's totally vegan. I just love this so much. And I also got, it's actually for babies, but I have tried the conditioner and shampoo from Alafia. I think that's how you pronounce it, Alafia. But they have a lot of really good products, and I bought shampoo and body wash in one because I don't really need conditioner, you know, so I'm like, let's just get 2 in 1 and make it baby. I'm not sure if I made a mistake on this or not. Is it for babies and kids? I'm a kid, so yeah, that's that. Yeah. And then the next one, which might seem a little bit random, but I thought it made sense to me. So I got Gingerade because I feel like I can get like an upset stomach, or someone can feel like a little sick or whatever. I'm going with my friends. It's a girls trip, my very first girls trip. So I'm going to take this tea just because you just never know. And it was cheap, and I love ginger tea and promotes healthy digestion. I don't know, but like when I travel this might be like TMI, but it messes with my digestion. So this is going to come in handy. So yeah, it might seem random, but it's not. It has its reason. What else did I get? Did I just run out of everything? I just showed you guys everything. Oh my god, that was so fast. Yeah, I'm done with it. But yeah, check out Thrive Market. Like I said, they have a lot of natural and organic stuff, and they make it really, really easy to navigate through the website. Like, you could filter things to look what your preferences are. Super, super easy, super fast. The shipping is with like, I think I got everything within like 3 days. And yeah, so I hope you guys really like this super quick haul, and I hope you guys check out Thrive Market. And I might be vlogging on my trip. I'm not 100% sure, but stay tuned. I'm considering doing that. Alrighty guys, till next time.